Hello everyone, I am Hani Santosh Sankhe. I am from SAS Institute of Management. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation for managerial economics. My topic name is Law of Supply. So, what is supply? Supply is during a given period of time, means the quantities of goods which are offered for a sale at a particular prices. The supply of commodity is amount of commodity which the seller or producer are able to willing to offer the sale at a particular prices during a certain period of time. This is called supply. So next is a law of supply. Law of supply is a remaining all factors remain constant. Price and quantity supply of a good are directly related to each other. In other words, when the prices paid by the buyer for good rises, the supplier increases the supply of the good in the market. So, uh, means what? Supply increases, quantity also increases. Supply decreases, quantity also decreases. So, this is a law of supply. Law of supply producer behavior at the time of change in prices good the services. When the prices of good rises, the supplier increase the supply in order to earn a profit. This is a graph of supply and quantity. Demand, this is a quantity, so prices increases, quantity also increases. This is the last peak point P1 and this is a Q1. This is a supply of curve. When a prices increases and quantity also increases to earn a more profit. Suppose example, 100 unit of pens manufactured for sale. Rupees of prices is 10 rupees. So my revenue is 1000 rupees. So prices increases in 20 rupees pen prices and my quantity also 100 rupees, so my revenue is 2000. So revenue is increases. This is the law of supply. Limitation of law of supply. Future prices, when the prices rises and seller expect the future prices to rise further, supply will decline as a seller will include the without supply so as to sell the later and earn higher profit. Agriculture output. Law of supply may not apply in case of agriculture commodities as their production cannot be increases at once following prices increases. This is a seasonal activity. Subsistence farmers. In understand countries where the agriculture is characterized with a subsistence farmer, law of supply may not apply. Factor other than prices remaining constant. The law of supply is started on an assumption that a factor other than the prices of the commodity remain constant. Example of COVID-19 vaccine. This supply and demand also increases, but price is constant because of higher rate of health. Example, supply schedule of the market. This is a gasoline example in international market. It's a dollar prices. So prices per gallon and quantity supply million of gallon. This is the prices. I will show the graph of the gallon. So let's see. This is the shape of the graph. So gasoline is a quantity of the gasoline and prices of gasoline. So $1 of gasoline prices, so 1 per gallon per gasoline is a 500 million of gallon quantities. So prices increases, quantity also increases. So 1.20 is a price and 5050 million gallons is quantity. So this graph shows to increase the prices, quantity also increases. So last big point is 2.20 per gallon. This is the price of gasoline. So quantity also increases 7.20 million gallon. This graph curve shows to increase the prices and increase the quantity. This is a law of supply. Thanks guys.